All right, mate, tell us what the award's tonight. Tell us what this event is and what the award is.
Yep, so this is the Fire Protection Industry Awards. It's a national awards put on by the Fire Protection Association, which is made up of maintenance companies, suppliers, engineers, construction companies and installation companies, so everybody in the industry.
How many people, it seems a pretty big room in there.
We've got over 300 people gathered here today, tonight to celebrate all the awards that are going out, and there's over about 10 of them going out tonight.
Now, tell us about the award you've gone for. What's it called? What's it for?
So we've nominated and we've been declared finalist for the Fire Protection Company of the Year Award. We're of under 50 employees. We're the first South Australian company to be declared a finalist, and we're pretty stoked about that.
So what does it mean to be Company of the Year? What are they looking for, do you reckon?
They're looking for somebody that's showing innovation, somebody that's passionate about a company that's passionate about the industry and education, and doing best practice, and just really trying to show that you want to be not just as good as the other companies, but better than the client's expectations.
What do you reckon in your application might tip you over the edge?
I suspect I'm the only person or the only company that has actually written a book and is using that unique key person of influence in the industry, in the strata communities and facility managers that we work with, to try to educate them to be better buyers. And that might be what gets us over the line. The other thing that might get us over the line is the cultural change that we've done in developing our team culture and how that is adding value to the community of technicians that are working for us.
Fire and Emergency Services South Australia, or SA, and I want to say that a strongly people-based service organisation, Fire and Emergency Services SA, is a direct descendant of the former South Australian Metropolitan Fire Service Fire Equipment Inspection and Testing Division. Their extensive list of South Australian customers includes some major business concerns known to all of us here, and their turnover is testimony to their customer service and their thoroughness. A highly competitive business, and judging panel rated them very highly. So I come now to the winner of this award, Delta Fire Australia.
How did you go? What's the news?
We're only finalists, so we got a certificate to say that we're finalists, but we didn't win it. So unfortunately, we lost to a national player in a similar industry to ourselves. So, for South Australian, it's still just a really good effort to be nominated, and I'm really happy, and you got to be in it to win it next year maybe.
Hold it up, let's see it.
There we go.